In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up your Tiltify campaign. We'll guide you through the process, ensuring you're ready to go with your fundraising efforts while smoothly integrating everything you need with your live stream setup. So let's dive right in and start by heading over to Tiltify. First, you're going to want to log into your Tiltify account. Once you're in, you'll see an option to create a new campaign. Click on Create Campaign, and you'll be prompted to fill in a few key pieces of information. Start with giving your campaign a catchy title that captures its spirit and purpose. Next, enter your fundraising goal, which helps set a target for your donors to aim for. Don't forget to include a description, something that explains the importance of your campaign and adds that personal touch. Adding an image can further enhance this, making your campaign visually appealing. If your campaign is time sensitive, make sure to specify the start and end dates. Once all these details are filled out, don't forget to save your campaign. It's also crucial at this stage to copy your Tiltify campaign ID or URL. You'll need it for integration later on. Next, let's get your Tiltify API token. To do this, log into your Tiltify account once more and head over to the settings. From there, look for the API section. Here you'll generate an access token. Make sure to copy this token. It's important to keep it safe, as it'll be used in your StreamElements setup. Now that you have all the necessary IDs and tokens, it's time to connect Tiltify to StreamElements. Log into your StreamElements account and navigate to the dashboard. Go to Overlays, which is where you can manage and create overlays for your stream. Choose the overlay you want to add your fundraiser to, or feel free to create a new one if you wish. Here, you'll want to add a widget. Click on plus widget and look for Tiltify donations. If you can't spot it, you might need to add it as a custom widget using an API connection. Instead, paste your Tiltify API token and campaign ID here, then make sure to save the widget to ensure it's properly set up. Let's move on to customizing your donation alerts. In StreamElements, navigate over to My Overlays and find Alert Box. You can enable your donation alerts here or create a new alert if you need something fresh and specific. Customize the text message to make it engaging, such as Gikaoshas amount donated to a campaign. Thank you, user. You can also set the animation, sound, and image or GIF to ensure it aligns with your stream's vibe. Save all these settings once you're happy with them. Finally, you'll want to add your overlay to your streaming software. In StreamElements, locate and copy the overlay URL. With OBS Studio or Streamlabs open, add a new browser source and paste the overlay URL there. Take a moment to resize and position it on your stream to make sure it looks just right. And there you have it! You're now ready to launch your campaign and start fundraising seamlessly integrated with your stream. Happy fundraising! And may your campaign be a huge success.